Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have an Audi A6 and this car I will show you turbocharger bypass valve control location. Okay, fault code P003300, active fault, turbocharger bypass valve control circuit. Okay, if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, here is the engine room. See here, this is turbocharger position sensor, and I show you now turbocharger bypass valve. You can see here, this is position sensor, and here downside, see, this is turbocharger bypass valve. See, already I remove wire, that's why fault came. This is turbocharger bypass valve. Okay, this one.